Hello everyone, I'm Sajitanya. Welcome to Site Guru. So for more videos on the Redmi K20 Pro, subscribe to my channel and check the links in the description for the playlist which contain full videos of the Redmi K20 Pro. And in this video, I'm going to tell you whether the Redmi K20 Pro will support the HD streaming in the Netflix or not. So as you can see right now, the what model I'm using, you can see the Snapdragon 855 and 8GB RAM variant and 128GB model. And a lot of users are asking me whether this phone will support the HD streaming content from the Netflix or not. So there is an application in the Play Store which you can test in your mobile. So once you open that application, you can see here in the security level there should be level 1. So if it says level 1, that means that your phone will support the HDR content from the Netflix. So if it says level 3, that means your phone doesn't support the HDR content. So here you can see this is a tab which I've used for the past 3.5 years. Still this tab support the HDR content. As you can see, there is a security level 1 in the tab. So the Xiaomi company need to take a step forward in giving an update to this phone immediately, because recently in the POCO F1 the same issue has happened with the phone as well. So initially the phone doesn't support the HDR content, but later with the MIUI update the phone got updated and got supported with the HDR content from the Netflix. So similarly, you can see the list of devices what are supported and not supported in the Netflix website as well. So I'll leave the link in the description. If you want, you can go to the link and you can just check what are the phones currently which are supported playing the HDR content. So every month this list will get updated with the latest phones which are releasing. So you can see in the HD area, what are the processors are supported. You can see here. These are the processor which support the HDR content. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, just comment below. So I'll be trying to reply to you. If possible, I'll try to make a video on that if a lot of users are having same kind of doubt. So don't forget to subscribe guys, because I'll be making a lot of interesting videos in the future. See you in the next video. Bye.